Mnangagwa urges Zanu PF Women's League to reject divisions. The 10th of September 2025, by Newsday Reporter, President Emerson Mnangagwa has urged members of the Zanu PF Women's League to shun division and factionalism within the party, particularly amid debates over extending his term beyond the constitutional limit of 2028. Speaking at the launch of the $3 million Women's League Empowerment Fund in Harare, Mnangagwa reaffirmed that he would step down at the end of his second term, allowing Zimbabweans to choose a new leader. He highlighted the Empowerment Fund as a tool for economic growth and social inclusion, calling on women to pursue sustainable projects in sectors like agriculture, manufacturing, tourism, and SMEs. Mnangagwa emphasized that empowering women strengthens families, communities, and the nation, and urged an inclusive approach in selecting fund beneficiaries. The president praised Zimbabwean women for their resilience in the face of economic shocks and stressed that the fund should support projects with clear market demand and potential for profitability, ensuring broad-based community impact.